Hi, this is Sally and today I'm going to be showing you how to make oolong tea fried chicken. I have just set the pan up to heat through and I'm using olive oil. I tend not to fry very much food, so I always shallow fry. I don't like having lots of oil lying around. I had 2 really large chicken breasts which I've made into 4 smaller ones, which will be perfect for my son and myself for dinner today, and then we can have it cold tomorrow in a couple of days' time. Or my other son will probably take it, or even my roommate or lodger. We'll get all of this started. This is about a tablespoon of flour with 2 oolong tea bags, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of coriander. Make sure it's nicely covered. I put the flour in this so that I don't have to do this part twice. I just feel that it just helps keep everything in place. There we go. Make sure it is really well pushed on here, because this is where all the flavour comes from. There's 4 fluid ounces of buttercream here, which I made earlier today, and I'm just going to pop those in like this and get rid of that plate. I'd much rather get my fingers dirty once, not 3 different times. Now this is 3 or 4 tablespoons of flour. Put that on both sides and then move it into here. Make sure the flour is on all sides like that, and I'm going to just pop that in there to start cooking. It's just about there. All the sides of the chicken like that. Flour all sides of the chicken, and then just fry it until it is crispy on both sides. I like to just put a little bit more of the oolong tea mixture on top of my chicken as it's frying, just in case too much of it fell off into the buttermilk. Push that in. Once it's been cooking on one side for about 5 to 6 minutes, just turn it over and cook the other side. Depending on how thick your chicken is, depends on how long this will actually take. Oh, there. Turn it over. It's nice and crunchy on one side, but you've got to get the top side done too. Thank you for joining me today. I'm serving the chicken with vegetables and buttered potatoes, and it should be really nice. If you want to hear more from me, please subscribe, hit the bell button, and a few thumbs up would be absolutely brilliant. And in the meantime, take care, see you later. Ciao.